How to accept or decline a job offer. Manage job offers. Managing job offers effectively helps you make the right career decision. If an employer is interested in hiring you, they will send a job offer through the job offers section on VirtualStaff. Follow these steps to accept or decline a job offer. Step 1. Access your job offers. Log into your VirtualStaff account. Navigate to the job offers section from your dashboard. Click on a job offer to view its details. Step 2. Review the job offer. Carefully go through the job offer details, including salary and compensation, job role and responsibilities, working hours and schedule, employer terms and conditions. Compare multiple offers if you have more than one to choose the best fit for your career goals. Step 3. Accept the job offer. If you decide to accept the job offer, follow these steps. Click on the Sign Contract Here button. Read through the contract carefully. Click on the Accept Contract button at the bottom of the page. Once accepted, your job details will move to the My Employer section, and you can start working with your new employer. Decline a job offer. If you decide not to accept a job offer, you can decline it by opening the job offer from the Job Offers section, scrolling down to the bottom of the job offer page, clicking on the Decline Job Offer button. This will notify the employer that you are not accepting the position, allowing you to explore other opportunities. By carefully reviewing and responding to job offers, you can make informed decisions that align with your career goals on VirtualStaff.
Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines, hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.